Hello, everybody. My name is Adam Zang. I'm the assistant principal at Sunland Elementary, and I'm very excited today because I get to unbox a hotspot and put it together here. I have a daughter that's in third grade. Last year, when she was in second grade, she loved to watch YouTube videos about Cookie Swirls Tea, unboxing all of her toys. So I wonder if this will have the same effect on our principals and our teachers and our parents and our students. To take off the back, you got to have long fingernails, and you just flip it off like that. So when you see this, I'm going to set this to the side. When you see this here, this is where your SIM card goes, and above the SIM card, we're going to add the battery. So continue. The SIM card, it's like a punch out inside of a punch out. So you just press in and you take out the little piece. Sometimes you get this gray piece to come out with it. You can just pop that out if it comes out on you. All right. So the important thing with SIM cards is that the T faces towards you and the microchip faces down. So I'm going to pop out the little SIM card thing here for my battery, but we have more instruction booklets. So I'm going to take those out and put those in my plastic bag. Right here we have the cord and the charger. I'm going to leave those wrapped, to leave in the box for the parents. Here's my little battery. What you look for are these three little connectors right there. Let's call them connectors since I don't know computer terminology. And then we're just going to slide it in to the connectors here on the bottom of the hotspot. But before I even turn it on, I had our admin assistant print out labels for all of our hotspots. So our network name on this one is going to be Scorpion 012, Scorpion 12, our 12th hotspot. I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. Scorpion 12, and then we have a little sticker that says property of Sunland Elementary, and it's got our address on it. This just makes it look official and less like So now that I'm powered on, you just press that power button for the menu. You cycle through, and I get my Wi-Fi name, my network name, and my password. Since this is Franklin Hotspot, you go to the Franklin T9. This will be Franklin names for all hotspots that look like this. I'm going to go ahead and look here on my screen, and my password is, all right. So now that I'm connected to Wi-Fi, I'm going to go ahead and go to the hotspot administration page, the website, and that website is mobile.hotspot. Pretty easy, no .com, no .org. And when you log in, you should be prompted to enter in a password for the admin account. There we go. So on all of these, the password for the admin account is admin. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in. It says I'm logged in with the default password, so I'm going to change it. What we set up here at Sunland is to have a longer password than admin that is the same across the school. So I'm going to enter in Sunland's secret admin password. And that way we can log into the hotspot if there is issues on the admin side. And I'm going to go to the settings on this hotspot. And what we do here is that we turn off the display Wi-Fi name and password on the hotspot because I already have the display name here. And what we do is we keep the password secret to us at Sunland so we don't get 12 different Netflix accounts on each of these hotspots. It's now time to set the Wi-Fi name, and the Wi-Fi name is Scorpion 12, a dozen scorpions. Password is Sunland012. This is a password we keep among our office staff to easily troubleshoot. We set it, we don't share it with families because we want to make sure that our students and their older siblings, if they go to school, are the only ones logging into the hotspot and not jamming it up. So now I'm going to go ahead and save changes, and we're going to get cut off for a minute because this hotspot is going to reset. We're back. So Scorpion 12 connected. I went into the Wi-Fi and did that. Right here, you can see Scorpion 12. So now I'm going to go to next time a student picks this up, we'll write down their name and what grade they're in. So what we do is we set up appointments for those families to come in, and we have them bring their iPads, and then we connect them personally to the hotspot using our own internal password. And that way, what we can do is make sure that the iPad is updated, all those software updates are there, and make sure that they logged in through iBoss to this cool little hotspot, and we show them how to use it. So they get very excited. I'm going to turn it off and we'll get cut off, and then you just put it back in the box. So see you later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you all. I know it helps our students. Thanks.